In this video, we're going to look at simplifying after rationalizing the denominator. And we have some rules about simplifying an expression after rationalizing the denominator. And we're going to go through these step by step in these problems. In 1, we want to simplify completely. In A, we have 4 plus the square root of 32 divided by 4. And the first thing they want us to do is simplify the square root of 32. And remember, we can write the square root of 32 as the square root of 16 times the square root of 2 by splitting the radical. So the square root of 16 is equal to 4. So we can write this as 4 plus 4 square root of 2, all divided by 4. And now it wants us to separate the fraction. So we have 4 divided by 4 plus 4 square root of 2 divided by 4. And now it wants us to simplify each fraction. 4 divided by 4 is 1. And 4 divided by 4 again is 1. So we have 1 plus the square root of 2. In B, we have 4 plus the square root of 32 divided by 8. And we simplified the square root of 32 in the last one, so we know that that is 4 plus 4 square root of 2 divided by 8. And now it wants us to separate the fraction. So we have 4 divided by 8 plus 4 square root of 2 divided by 8. And now 4 divided by 8 can be simplified to 1/2. Plus 4 divided by 8 is 1/2 again, and then we have times the square root of 2. So we have the square root of 2 divided by 2. In C, we have 3 minus the square root of 18 divided by -9, and it wants us to simplify the square root of 18. So again, I'm going to write the square root of 18 as the square root of 9 times the square root of 2, and the square root of 9 is 3. So I have 3 minus 3 square root of 2 divided by -9. And now they want us to separate the fraction. And we have a negative sign in the denominator. So we're going to have to change the sign of the terms in the numerator. So we have -3 divided by 9 plus 3 square root of 2 divided by 9. And 3 divided by 9 can be simplified to 1 divided by 3. So we have -1/3 plus the square root of 2 divided by 3. In D, we have 4 minus 3 square root of 32 divided by 2. The first thing they want us to do is simplify the square root of 32. So we saw above that that was equal to 4 times the square root of 2. So we have 4 minus 3 times 4 square root of 2 divided by 2. And then we can simplify this and multiply 3 times 4 in the second term in the numerator. So we have 4 minus 12 square root of 2 divided by 2. And now we want to separate the fraction. So we have 4 divided by 2 minus 12 square root of 2 divided by 2. And now simplify each fraction. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. And then we have 12 divided by 2 is 6. So we have -6 square root of 2. And that's our video on simplifying after rationalizing the denominator.